All right, my name is Gabriel Carrera. I'm sitting here in my office at my desk. I've been doing a lot of paperwork here for the Ironman rally, the 30-hour. All the riders are out right now. They are like rolling all over the state of Florida. I even went up, there was one point of interest. I said, listen, anybody that goes to Kentucky, I'll give you 3,000 points. And I don't see too much interest in going to Kentucky in this cold. But the focus of this update for the 30-hour Ironman LDR Motorcycle Rally that is happening right now is that I have here some awards already. I have Todd Moreland. Okay, I have an award for Todd, and Todd Moreland, we congratulate him because he won the certificate for the most miles rode to the rally. Okay, and then we had two ladies. Normally before we had like so many women, and now we just had two. We had three, but the poor Lori, she got sick with the flu and she couldn't make it. But anyways, the lady who had the most miles won by 2 miles. We had Dawn from Tamarack, and we had Debby from Coral Springs. So here we are. Debby won. Sorry, Dawn. But Dawn, you won last time a little trophy, didn't you? Yes, she did. And we love them both. And they're coming back by 1 p.m. on Sunday. And when they get back, we're going to start our scoring and see who came in first, second, third, who had the most miles in the rally, the ladies. So right now it's between Dawn and Debby. D and D. Which D's going to get it, right? And there's a lot of updates that I'm trying to put on in pictures as they send them to me. But basically there were some tire issues. Two of the riders, one got a tire, the other one couldn't get a tire because it's a special tire. So he's trying to make it back. He's got a thread showing, and he just had a new child. He didn't want to risk it. And I don't blame him one bit. Safety comes first in these rallies. So coming back Sunday, we have the 100-year anniversary celebration for the American Legion, and at Post 1A we're having a big old bash, and it's just not for bikers, it's for everybody. We have the Sensibles band that's going to be playing. We got Richard Hurt that's playing by the bar. We've got all sorts of vendors. We got Joanne and Robert that used to set up by Cafe 27. We got Mitch McCall. He had the big orange and black trailer, but from Cafe 27. We're going to have cigars in the hall. There is no smoking. Okay. So you can either smoke outside or by the bar, but inside the hall, that's the safe zone for the non-smokers. And we're just going to have a great time. You know, when you come in, just look for the sign that says parking, and we will see you tomorrow, mañana, Sunday. Everything starts at 1 o'clock, and I can't wait to see you all.